Good morning everyone. This is an interview with a vendor man from Nabota City who shares his experiences and insights into the world of commerce. He shares stories of his products, challenges he faced, and success he's achieved in the bustling city, providing an inside look into his life.
Game. So, Mr. Joshua, tell me about your product.
So we're selling this, which is a pang merienda. So it's a budget made price. So yung best selling price namin dito is yung shawarma. And also combination with milk tea. Siyempre affordable yung milk tea namin. And yun.
So, second question, what is your best-selling food here?
The best selling food from our merendaan is yung half-long combination with the chocolate milk.
So, third question, magkano po yung kinikita nyo sa buong araw?
Sa buong araw, hihinaan ko na lang kasi baka marinig. Sa isang araw, pinakamataas na kinita ng store namin is around 1-2.
Okay.
Sobrang peak.
Okay. Fourth question, how many years did you spend here at your Tibay store?
Nag-start kami na 2022. So, we're still running the store until now. So, hindi na kagaya noon na kalakasin yung store namin. Kasi marami na bukasan dito. So, but still we'll renovating this store para mas mapaganda yung kotse namin. And other than that, para mas mapalaki yung negosyo namin.
Okay. For the last question, Mr. Joshua, what is your goal for your store?
My goal in the store is to make the standard procedure. Siyempre, dapat unang-una dito is yung food safety natin. Pangalawa dito, yung customer greeting. Lalo na kahit store lang ito, dapat nag-greet tayo. The third one is to satisfy and fulfill yung gusto ng customer natin. Hindi lang sasaserve tayo na serve kung tayo sa kanila. So, and for the last goal is to make this store more beneficiable. Lalo na, siyempre, hindi pa sa nakakalis sa pandemya. So, dapat patuloy pa rin tayo dito. That's all.